On Sunday, the 30th of August, I'm doing something that I've never done in the 6 years that I've been on this channel. I'm running a live event, and it's the first one that I've ever run. And to be fair, it might be the only one, because what I'm going to break down at this event isn't something that this industry once said out loud. And if you've been trading for more than a couple of years, I bet it's the thing that nobody has ever said to you. Let me paint the picture, because I've watched thousands of traders live this exact thing. You came into trading with a plan. Learn the skill, get consistent, and build something real. But somewhere between then and now, that plan stalled. Maybe you're still searching, jumping from strategy to strategy because nothing holds up past the first losing week. Maybe you found something that works, but you keep getting in your own way, moving your stops, chasing your losses, breaking the rules that you swore you'd never break again. Or maybe you're doing nearly everything right and it still isn't coming together, and you honestly can't figure out why. 3 different problems on the surface, the same result underneath. The years keep passing, and you're still not where you said you'd be. And every time that you've gone looking for the reason, this industry has handed you the same answers. Get a better strategy, fix your psychology, journal more, backtest deeper. By now, you've heard them all. Some of them you've even paid for. And be honest with yourself, none of them actually moved you. Well, there's a reason for that, and it's not what you think. You see, it's not your strategy. It's not discipline, and it's not some missing piece of information, because information was never the real problem. You could watch every video on this channel twice and it still wouldn't fix it. There's a gap that nobody up until now has shown you, and it sits underneath everything that you've already tried. And once you see it, you'll understand exactly why the last few years have gone the way they have, why the knowledge never turned into consistency, why every fix felt like progress for 2 weeks and then changed nothing. You'll know why traders who know less than you are pulling it off while you're still stuck. And on Sunday, I'm going to show you what that gap is once and for all. And then I'm going to show you the faster way to get through it, the one that has never really been on the table up until now. So let me explain everything that's actually happening. Sunday, the 30th of August, I'm going live and laying the whole thing out. The gap, why it's kept you stuck for years, and most importantly, the way through it. And when I'm done, I'm opening the floor. Whatever you've been sitting on, whatever question you've never had anyone to ask, you bring it and I'll answer it live. It's completely free, but it's not public. You have to register to get in, and registration closes before we begin. So the link is in the description below. It takes 10 seconds and it's the only way in. This will be hosted 4 p.m. UK time, 7 p.m. Dubai, 11 a.m. New York. And the moment that you register, there's a free gift waiting for you. Something I've never given away before. It's called the Execution Gap Scorecard. It's 20 questions over 5 minutes, and it shows you exactly where you are right now, where you're strong, where you're weak, and which gap is the actual one that's holding you back in your trading. Most traders have never seen themselves that clearly before. So make sure you do it before Sunday and be honest with your answers, because when you walk into that event knowing your gap, the whole thing is going to hit differently. Remember, 6 years I've been on this channel, and I've never done anything like this, and I might never do it again. The link is below. I'll see you on Sunday.